Welcome to Ziana TV. So, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna draw a tulip. It's right over there. Let's get started. Guys, let's draw. Oh, wait. Before we draw, we have to turn this around. This side or this side. I want to do, it's hard to pick. Like this. Okay, let's start. First, do a U here. Like this. And then do like this. Then start right here. And then go between them. Do carefully. Just like that one. And this one is a triangle there. And in the middle, you have to do like this. And then you make a circle that's shaped like this. And then you do the leaf. Do like this and then do like this. Does it look like a tulip? Okay, let's add some details. Here's the dirt. Do bumpy lines, okay? And then do like this. That's okay if you do it wrong. Do a curve and then go up here. And then you do like pot. And you can add some decorations too. And draw a tulip. Wow. And if you want to add a sun, do like this. So we got one, we need another one. It's down here. 2. And then do like this. Do the same way as it. This time I'm gonna do fast for it. For the two up more. Do like this. I want to add details. If you want to add faces on them, you can, or something. I'm still doing fast forward. There. I'm all done. I'm good. Let's color. I'm gonna use red, orange, yellow, green. Let me see if this is blue. guys, I'm so happy that you like my drawing yesterday, the Yoshi one. I hope you like my other drawing. This time there's 3 of the tulips. And guys, thank you for watching. I'm so happy that you like it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.